Hi guys, Jill Blanchett with Green Thumb Stampers. Finally Friday. I'm here. I'm going to show you today how to fix that "oh my god, what have I done" situation. Ever have that moment when you put your ink from, say, green and you're not paying attention, and now you've meant to go to the green stamp pad and you went to the yellow stamp pad, and now you've got a big green blob on the yellow stamp pad? I'm going to show you how to fix that. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. So have you ever had a couple ink pads open on your desktop and you accidentally stamp in the darker color, not paying attention, and then you immediately come over to your lighter pad and say, "Oh my gosh, what have I just done? I went ahead and made me a giant ink spot on my lighter color ink pad with a darker color. Now what am I going to do?" Well, that's what we're going to show you. You want to get let me get a different one. I was goofing around. So you want to get yourself a clean, dye-free paper towel, napkin, a cloth if you so choose. But you want to get something that's clean that you can come in and blot out the spot where your image is at. So if you just keep blotting away, you're gonna I'm actually putting like a little pressure to wipe it. And you can pick up that color that you don't want on there. So for the most part, I got it all off. And it's good to go. Good as new. However, you can see now, as I showed you from last week's video, now we have a big spot there that is lighter than the rest because we've sucked all the ink out of it with our paper towel. So then you want to come in with your re-inker and just put some more ink onto the ink pad. And then using the back of the spoon again, just come through and push the ink around. Spread it around, like back and forth. Spread it around, and that will disperse that ink around the ink pad for you. And then you should be golden, good to go. Use the ink pad, and you're off and finishing up your cards that you were working on. So that's it, guys. A little tip on how to fix a boo-boo when you've got the darker ink into a light ink pad. Now you can probably do the same thing if you do it the other direction with a light stamp into the dark ink, but I doubt that you're even going to see that because the light ink is just going to absorb right into the darker pad. But if you feel that you want to give that a try and soak that off there, it'll work. Just give it a shot and you're back into business. Thanks, guys. See you next week. So fear not, my friends. That's all you have to do to fix that ugly blob on the ink pad. Just soak it up, take it off, and you're good to go. So thanks a lot for watching. Jill Blanchett with Green Thumb Stampers. Don't forget me. I'm not forgetting you. I'll be back again next week. Hang tight. Have a great week. Bye, guys. Hang tight. Why did I say hang tight? That sounded like I'm in Hawaii or something. Hey, hang tight. How do they do that? Hang tight. No, I didn't really mean hang tight. I just meant sit tight. Come back again next week. I will be here, and I hope you will too. Bye, guys.